Decluttering inspiration for you today, plus a wee Danish lesson. Diane is over here. We are working in the kitchen this week. If you're following the Flylady Zones, Flylady Zone 2. And I've gone through the kitchen. I've got a couple of items to declutter from this area, but I'm also going to show you the rest of the items that I found this week. If you missed me saying it before, my husband and I, we're now empty nesters. It's just the two of us. So I'm looking at our house with fresh eyes. We'll probably be downsizing in the next couple of years. And the items that you see now, we always run them past the kids, check and see if the kids want them. And if not, they're ready to be passed on as donations or for our next swap party. But anyway, let's have a wee look and see what I've found. We have one of those stick blenders. Never use it, and I have other gadgets that I can use for doing that. So that's a donation. I've also had a look in the basement to see if there's any kind of kitchen stuff that we had kept down there, you know, kind of things that we use from time to time. So these bottles are going. I'm not going to be using these bottles again. One of these freezer blocks. How many freezer blocks do you need? I'm sure I've actually got some more. I'm going to check in the freezer. We only actually need 2, so that is going. Think about your cookbooks. I have my cookbooks not in the kitchen, but somewhere else. And I've started going through them, ones that, you know, I had a whole collection of Nigella Lawson books, but actually this one, I never look at it, didn't really like it, so that is going. Also ones that I had from when the kids were small. If there's some specific recipe that you like, take a picture. I actually keep a little file on my phone of recipes so I can quickly look them up if I'm needing something. Or otherwise, if you must, print it out or write it down and get it into your folder of recipes. There's no need to be hanging on to all the books. And this one, just a wee Danish lesson for you. I mentioned it on Instagram the other day. This book is a classic Danish cookbook. I'm not getting rid of this one, but it was just a wee bit of fun for you. So this book is not is not God mad, ledet lave. It actually means go mel. Go is the Danish word for good. Mel. It's quite difficult to pronounce if you're not Danish. Mel means food. So go mel means good food. Let at lave, easy to make. If you see the word God mad in Danish, it's normally a cookbook. When I was in town last week, all the shops are full of kind of student cookbooks at the moment. And this is one of them, Go Mel. And I've found quite a few items from our guest bedroom this week. My daughter has taken 2 of the underbed storage boxes. Now, I had things in there which were extra linens, covers for cushions. So I've emptied both of the boxes. Those are now over at my daughter's flat. My daughter's in Copenhagen. And I've gone through the rest of the things, and at the moment I'm kind of looking around the house. Which cushions do we still need? How many extra cushion covers do we want? But already I've identified these ones. These ones are going, and they were clean and pressed. So those are going straight into my bag for donations. There was also a cuddly toy, that one is going too. Goodbye, Mr. Rabbit. A small vase, I never use it anymore. My daughter and son didn't want that. And some plastic flowers that actually came as part of a bigger bunch that I got from a charity shop. I really like the other ones, and these ones I've never liked, so those are going too. Woo! When you're thinking about having a clutter-free home, don't just think about moving things out of the house, but what you're actually bringing in, especially things like cleaning supplies. How many cleaning supplies do you use? I hardly ever buy cleaning products. I use the same few things to do all my jobs. Also cleaning rags, brushes, tools, all those kind of things. I keep it very, very limited. I've got my purple rags that I got from the Flylady years and years ago. Even microfiber rags, they're not good for the environment, so don't go buying tons of them. I've had mine for years and years and years. And the other thing that I use, which my kids requested when they moved into their flats, are these scrubby things. Now I use these on all types of surfaces. They don't scratch anything, and I don't any strong chemicals. So just think about it. What, you know, if you're just always kind of buying lots of cleaning products and throwing chemicals at stuff, just by keeping an eye on what you're bringing in, keeping the clutter down, doing your regular maintenance cleaning, you know, the upkeep clean, the Flylady upkeep clean, or your zone work, it's all going to contribute to having you less stuff. Whether you are like us, empty nesters, and now the table is only set for 2, or maybe you're moving into your first flat, what can you let go of and what can you stop coming in? So anyway, talking about coming in, I need to get on my way out. So live long and prosper. May the Danish Hygge and go mill be with you, and I'll see you very soon with that rah rah rah. Okay, bye for now.